Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off parental protection on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off or disable parental controls or protection on Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone, and after opening your Play Store app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where at the bottom of the screen you can see the settings option available for us. Just above help and feedback, tap on settings and you'll land over this interface where the first option is the family and where it says parental control and parent guide. Tap on it and tap on the parental controls over here, and now you will be on this interface. Now in order to turn off your parental protection or your parental control, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of this option over here. Tap on toggle icon and you'll be required to enter the pin which you had used to enable your parental controls, and tap on OK. And after doing that guys, your parental controls will be turned off. By this way guys, you'll be able to turn off your parental controls or parental protection on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.